Friends, so today in this video we're going to see the basic concept of voltage, current and the resistance. Also we are going to see the relationship between them. So if we will describe the concept of voltage, current and resistance, then voltage is something like pressure which is responsible to flow the charge carriers in the conductor, and ultimately it is responsible to flow the current, that is the electric current in the circuit. Okay, so then what is resistance? Resistance always opposes the flow of current in the circuit, and if we see the relationship between the voltage, current and resistance, then that is described from the law, that is Ohm's law. Okay, that is V is equal to IR. Okay, so this is the relationship between the voltage, current and resistance. If you wanna know about the Ohm's law, then please visit my channel. There you will get the video of Ohm's law. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.